Hey guys, Mr. Miller here. In this video, I will be going over all of the foundational ideas and basic Google Docs skills I expect you to have before we actually start any assignments in this class. I know Google Docs is not terribly revolutionary to you guys. You probably have been using it for many years now. But again, all of these lines in this document I'm about to go over are all the skills I expect my students to know and know already before you accomplish anything else. So let's go over them just to make sure we all have the same base level of understanding. So each line is an instruction of what I would like you to do. So first one, bold. So again, you can either hit the bold button in your toolbar, or I like to shortcut it, Control B. Italics or italicize. Again, usually you would italicize kind of important words or definitions within your text. Again, you can either italic the button or again, Control I. Underline, usually you would underline a title, Control U. You can do multiple formats per, again, piece of text. So this one is asking you to bold and italicize, Control B and Control I. Same thing here. Again, bold it and underline it. Control B, Control U, or all three. Control B, I, U. Oh, this one is talking about changing the font. And this one is asking you to change the font to Century Gothic. So highlight the font you would like to change and go into the menu here. And I don't see that one. It doesn't mean it's not there. So you can go more fonts. And if you just start typing in, again, there it is, Century Gothic. So if you ever, again, are asked for a font, I'll demonstrate that again. If you're ever asked for a font and you don't see it in this drop-down menu, choose More Fonts. And then click OK. Okay, font size 16. This is actually a new thing in Google Docs. Again, the incremental change, you can just hit hitting that plus button until you get to 16, or you could just type 16 in as well. This one is asking you for a font change and a size change. So it's asking for equestrial and 18. So I'm going to change it to 18 first, just typing in 18 into the font size change. And then I don't think I saw equestrial in there. I'm going to go to this search bar. Equestrial, I don't know. But here we go. Okay. Font Arial. Arial is a standard boring font, but this one I'm pretty sure, oh, there it is, should be in your defaults. Again, Arial and 18. So this is change the font to Arial, bold it, and 16. Okay, alignment. So again, where the text appears in relationship to the kind of the space. So this is asking you to center it, and there's a way I would like you to center things, and it is not by rapidly hitting the space bar. That is not how you center anything on a page. Again, obviously, you should be using the center align button or Control Shift E. So titles are often centered, but usually only titles. I never want to see a paragraph from you guys where things are centered and aligned to the right. So sometimes dates are aligned to the right, names are aligned to the right. If you ever do MLA citation as a way of documenting your sources in, again, upper grades, often you would put your name and, again, the page number aligned to the right. Center and bold. I'm going to do this all with shortcuts. Control Shift E to center and Control B to bold. Okay, align to the right. So, and underline. So align to the right and underline. Sorry, continuing. Okay, a border. How do you add a border in Google Docs? Well, there's an easy way. So first, click kind of on the line you're working on, format, paragraph, borders and shading. And you just have to tell, again, Google where to put the border. So I'm going to put it on top of this line, underneath, beside, left, and right. And then click Apply. And there we have our borders on that line. Okay, center, font Arial, bold, size 16. Center, Arial, bold, 16. Align to the right, font 10. Center, and size 8. Again, typically don't make your font size 8. I did that on purpose to show you it's nearly unreadable. Again, I think I have good eyesight, probably not as strong as your eyesight, but typically you don't want to go below 11 on anything. Okay, font color. Okay, color red. So highlight what you want to change in color. Text color, red. Same menu. For the next line, yellow. Be careful when choosing font colors like yellow on a white background. Again, it's unreadable. Always trying to pick contrasting colors. Again, black being the obvious one, but red also works. Just yellow, pink, they're typically very hard to see on a background like this. Blue. Sorry. And green. So again, these are all the skills I expect you to have. Again, knowing how to do every one of these font and style changes. These are our baseline skills. So if you have any questions, you can email me and ask me during one of our Google Meets, or just comment on a post in the discussion board related to this, and we should be good. Otherwise, you can put this file in your word processing folder. Thank you.